Hey friends, welcome back to AI Finder. Today, we're diving into something truly next level, a platform that lets you create hyper-realistic AI avatar videos that look and sound just like you. It's called Humva, and trust me, you're gonna want to see what this can do. Step into a world where every frame tells a story, from cinematic magic to polished perfection. Humva transforms your vision into a masterpiece, and the results are nothing short of stunning. Once you're in, you'll discover a wide range of AI avatar models, perfectly suited for various needs. You can choose a topic like studio, lifestyle, cartoon, outdoors, or health and fitness to match the kind of video you want to create. This helps tailor your avatar to fit your content style perfectly. In addition, you can customize the gender and age of your avatar, making it ideal for your specific video requirements.
Lights, camera, action. Step into a world where every frame tells a story. From cinematic magic to polished perfection, our studio transforms your vision into a masterpiece. Ready to shine in the spotlight? Lights, camera, action. Step into a world where every frame tells a story.
When you start, you'll see 4 different video options, each with its own unique studio setup and background. Whether you're aiming for a professional presentation, a lifestyle vibe, or something that pops on social media, there's a look that fits your content perfectly. Next, enter your script, and the AI avatar will read it with impressively natural delivery. And if you prefer using your own voice, that's no problem at all. Just upload an MP3 recording, and the avatar will sync perfectly with your narration. It's seamless and shockingly accurate. To create your own avatar, click the Create Avatar button. You'll get 2 choices, Custom Avatar and Photo Avatar. Let's go with Custom Avatar first. You'll be asked to upload a clear, front-facing image of yourself. Just make sure it's taken with good lighting. For the best results, use a high-quality portrait where your face is fully visible and unobstructed. Once your image is uploaded, it's time to pick a voice. Humva gives you a selection of pre-recorded voices that sound incredibly real. You can preview each one by hitting play.
Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for, you're in the right place. Let's make it happen.
Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for, you're in the right place. Let's make it happen.
Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for, you're in the right place. Let's make it happen.
But if you want the avatar to sound just like you can upload your own voice clip. Just make sure your audio is clear, under 2 minutes, with no background noise or long pauses. A consistent, well-recorded voice makes all the difference, especially if you're creating branded or professional content. After choosing a voice, you'll move on to final customization. Here, you'll name your project, select the video's aspect ratio, vertical for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Shorts, or horizontal for YouTube, webinars, and presentations. Then choose a style that fits your content, whether it's a studio background, lifestyle scene, or a fun animated look. When you're ready, click Next. Now the magic happens. Humva will process your photo and settings to generate 12 different versions of your avatar, each with subtle variations in expressions and lip sync. You can pick up to 5 that best capture your look and personality, then click Generate. In just a few minutes, your avatars are ready. Preview them, watch them speak, and admire just how realistic the final result is.
Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for, you're in the right place. Let's make it happen. Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for. Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for, you're in the right place. Let's make it happen. Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for, you're in the right place. Let's make it happen.
Now let's try the photo avatar option. It follows the same simple steps. Upload your image, Choose a voice, select the aspect ratio, and click Next. Just like that, your photo avatar is ready. And again, the results are fantastic.
Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for, you're in the right place. Let's make it happen. Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for, you're in the right place. Let's make it happen.
Humva is offering an exclusive first month free trial for our new users. Simply enter the discount code HeyHumva on the payment page to try 1 month standard pan for only $0.1. Subsequent renewals will be charged at the original price. This special offer is available for the first 1,000 users only. Humva makes it easier than ever to generate realistic, personalized AI avatars. With just a few steps, you can create high-quality, AI-powered videos that feature an avatar that looks and sounds just like you. Whether you're making content for social media, courses, marketing, or business, this tool is a game changer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for tools we should cover next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.